Hi friends, you received this new AI recognition bird feeder. Is a lot of things at the same time. As you can see, it's a bird feeder. It has a camera. It works with solar electricity or solar energy with this panel. And the nice thing is that if you love birds, it will tell you basically which kind of bird is feeding from your bird feeder. So it has basic instructions. You get an app here, and with the app you will have the possibility to see the birds and to know which ones are coming to feed at your home. It brings a memory card, so you can put it in the bird feeder, and the images will be saved in the card for later viewing. It has this strap. Okay, let me tell you. This is the feeder. This is the camera. The feeder. The camera goes here. We're going to put everything together. And this is the solar panel. Okay. You can put the solar panel a little far away if you need to get the most solar light. And this USB-C cable will connect in the bird feeder like this. So it will give energy to the battery for the camera usage. Okay? So you get everything you need here. Some nice accessory for the birds to be having their meals. You have this base to put it. You get more USB-C cables if you need to charge the unit, if you get no sunlight or whatever you need, extra charging energy. Some installing accessories, and the actual base for the feeder. Okay? Okay? So, we're going to install it in our patio, and in a few days I hope to be able to report to you what kind of birds come to eat at my home. Thank you. As you can see, it was really easy to install it. We are ready to catch our birds' films eating, and we have the solar panel here. Also really easy to install it, where it's going to get all the sun from the afternoon. Okay, so now we are going to configure the camera. So now we're ready. Everything is set up, working. We even have this helper for the birds, and we're gonna wait to see during the day what birds we get eating here. Perfect.